All right, Doozer shop here. At the toolbox, just a quick look. I wanted to talk about a few things. So here's my tooling drawer, and amongst other things that I've got stashed away in there, clamps and blocks and jacks, I've got some triangles. One's just 45, one's 30, 60, 90, and these can be handy, and I want to show you why they're handy. You spin around here. I've been working on some parts for the Bridgeport. Oops, over on the Clausing 8520. Okay, and I've been using a triangle for making a 30-degree cut, and I wanted to kind of show you here. The light's not the greatest, but okay, let's see. Alright, so what I got here is this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, okay? And I've got it clamped to the milling table, right? Hope you can see that. And it's just clamped with one stud and a stack of washers, and this is a 1/4-inch piece of whatever steel the triangle's made out of. And these are 1/4-inch worth of parallels. And it's just held with one washer, a washer and a nut and a stud. So what I've got here is this block of aluminum. This is the actual item of interest. And I needed to mill a slot at a 30-degree angle. So I just got a machine milling clamp, holding it to the table, and I'm using the triangle as a fence just to push it up against, square it, and then tighten the main clamp. And I'm not holding by much, but I'm not being super aggressive either. So what that is a 1/4-inch slot, and a 1/4-inch end mill. Carbide end mills are nice because they're rigid. And I pecked down 100 thousandths at a time, moved over 156 thousandths, down 100 thousandths, moved over 156 thousandths, down 100 thousandths, 156 over, down, 100,000 steps, 156 wide, right? So I just loosened this up with a wrench so I can show you, just what I was doing here. And you can see, boy, that's a really nice finish in there. Look at that, for a slot that deep. I don't know if you can see. But that's just a beautiful looking slot. It really is. No burrs and nasties and no deflection. It's perfectly, it's not deviated from the center line from end mill push. But anyways, so that's what it is. My setup is just a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and I just clamped it, like I said, with one stud and one set of washers. For stuff like that, it's just a quick setup. Anyhow, just wanted to share that with you, kind of real quick, with the mighty Clausing 8520 mill. A vise is a luxury. You can do a lot on the table with just clamps. So just wanted to show you how useful that can be. Yeah, you can use a sine bar, but that's an extra step and monkeying around. But just a basic triangle as a fence to set up your piece and clamp it to the table. That's it. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Just a block for a project I'm working on mounting the readout on the other mill. So there you go. Till next time, Doozer shop.